Welcome back to Always Wandering. Are you wanderers? Today I'd like to show you this dry brush technique, which is basically using little water to create a broken textured effect on paper. This technique is very useful for painting things like old barns, maybe old stumps, or tree bark. It's a very essential watercolor skill.
No need to break the bank, a simple Canson watercolor pad will do. Now the best brush to use for a dry brush technique is a flat brush. So here I'll be using a 1-inch flat brush. And we just want to get some color and drag it across the paper. And no, that's a fail, not enough water on that one. I'm going to go back and give it another shot and with a little more water, and that's a fail again. Too much water on that one. All right, third time's the charm. Oh, nailed it. Now, all joking aside, I'm just generalizing, but you decide as an artist how much water you want to bring in, depending on what it is that you're painting. It's all subjective, really. So here I want to show you another effect that you can create. It's called layering. You just use another color on top of the original color in the same manner that we use to create the dry brush effect. In this example, the first color we put in will show through because it is darker than the color that we're putting over the top. So it's a pretty cool way to just create some multicolored texture. All right, now another thing you could do is just flip the brush on its side and just flick it upward. This can create the effect of, let's say, grasses or something to that effect. That's just a couple of things you could do using a dry brush technique. Hope you give it a shot. Thanks for watching.